Hey there, science fans! Ever wonder about the incredible ecosystem thriving in your mouth? No, I'm not talking about the leftover pizza crust from lunch. I'm talking about plaque and tartar, those sneaky characters that love to hang out on your teeth. Today we're diving into 9 scientifically backed ways to combat plaque and tartar right from your bathroom sink. Let's kick things off with a classic baking soda and salt. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a mild abrasive. Think of it like a gentle scrub brush for your teeth, working away at that pesky plaque. And salt? Well, salt is a natural antibacterial agent, helping to keep those bad bacteria in check. Mix equal parts baking soda and salt, creating a paste. Once a week, gently brush your teeth with this mixture. Remember to rinse thoroughly afterwards. Moderation is key to avoid enamel wear. Next time you enjoy a juicy orange, don't toss that peel. The white part of the peel, the pith, is a secret weapon against plaque. It's packed with vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps keep your gums healthy. Just rub the inner white part of the orange peel on your teeth before bed. Let it work its magic overnight and you'll be amazed by the results. Aloe vera, often hailed for its soothing properties, is a powerhouse for oral health. Combine it with lemon oil for an extra boost. Lemon oil helps break down plaque. Mix a teaspoon of pure aloe vera gel with a single drop of lemon oil. Apply this mixture to your teeth. Let it sit for a few minutes and then rinse thoroughly. Use this remedy sparingly to avoid any potential enamel erosion. For centuries, people have been practicing oil pulling, an ancient technique that involves swishing oil in your mouth to remove bacteria. Coconut oil, in particular, has potent antibacterial properties. To try oil pulling, put a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth and swish it around for 10 to 15 minutes daily. After swishing, spit out the oil and rinse your mouth thoroughly. This practice can help reduce plaque buildup and freshen your breath. Ever imagined using seeds to clean your teeth? Sesame seeds act as natural little scrub brushes, gently removing plaque. Chew a handful of sesame seeds slowly, then grab a dry toothbrush and brush your teeth. The combination of chewing and brushing helps dislodge plaque and polish your teeth. Plus, sesame seeds are packed with nutrients beneficial for your overall health. Tomatoes, those juicy red wonders, are surprisingly beneficial for your oral health. Tomatoes are a rich source of vitamin C, which is great for healthy gums. Rub a slice of tomato on your teeth, let it sit for a few minutes, and then rinse your mouth thoroughly. Incorporating tomatoes into your diet can also benefit your oral health. Cloves, those tiny aromatic buds, have been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. They're packed with antibacterial properties, making them a powerful weapon against plaque and bad breath. Mix ground cloves with olive oil until you achieve a smooth consistency. Apply this paste to your teeth, let it sit for a few minutes, and then rinse thoroughly. You'll be amazed by the refreshing feeling and the long-lasting freshness it provides. White vinegar, a common household ingredient, can help break down tartar. Mix 2 teaspoons of white vinegar with a cup of warm salt water. Gargle with this solution once a day, making sure to swish it around your mouth thoroughly and then rinse with plain water. Remember, moderation is key. Our final natural remedy comes from an unexpected source, the bloodroot plant. Sanguinaria extract, derived from the bloodroot plant, is known for its potent antimicrobial properties. You can find sanguinaria extract in some toothpastes and mouthwashes. Incorporate a toothpaste or mouthwash containing sanguinaria extract into your daily routine to prevent plaque formation. Congratulations, science explorers! You've now unlocked 9 natural remedies to combat plaque and tartar. Incorporating these remedies into your routine can make a world of difference in maintaining a healthy, radiant smile. Brushing twice a day, flossing daily, and visiting your dentist regularly are crucial for preventing plaque and tartar buildup. Now go out there and smile with confidence, knowing you've got the knowledge and tools to keep those pearly whites shining bright. If you enjoyed this video, please like and comment below.